Please give Maureen Goodram a big round of applause. Earlier, I called a break far too early. So we're going to invite on stage now Judge Andazi. She will be joined on stage by Darlene Usher and Leon Banks. She will be performing Girl on Fire by Alicia Keys. Please give her a big round of applause as Andazi comes on stage along with Darren. We're just getting the piano wheeled in. So while we do that, I just want to say that we do have a halftime challenge as well, and it will be sponsored by Smart, and we have quite a bit of giveaways, as you already know, of course, if you're here at the Bliss Center. As they get the stage ready, let me just run down for the people who are here at the Bliss Center the third place prizes that you did not get a chance to see. They get $2,000 courtesy of Mega Bingo, 2 nights stay for 2 including breakfast, courtesy Seaside Chateau, 1 case of Carib, and 1 case of Brut, courtesy of Grace Kennedy Belize Limited. 1 night stay in a deluxe king room for 2, includes continental breakfast, courtesy of Fort George Hotel and Spa. A VIP ticket to Belize Soca and Culture Festival, courtesy of Kobe Entertainment. 1 gift basket, courtesy of Santiago Castillo Limited. A gift basket with Kent products, courtesy of Unitex Company Limited. Please give all our sponsors a huge round of applause for making that such a sizable gift. But ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to Andazi and Darlene and Leon. Big round of applause.
Mic is on. Good night, everybody. Hope you all enjoyed the show so far. Every stage I touch shall leave a blaze. Woo, who's that girl all up in flames? Mind your business and drink your water. But if you're looking for a live show, send me out just past the mic coach. Put me in and throw your hands in the oxygen. Cause even if the mic feedback and sound whack, we still like the show like that. I put words in the place and they tracks. Whether it's me going with my hardcore raps, God's with the rap dominatrix. We don't drop mics, we rock mics. We rock mics. She's just a girl, and she's on fire.
Seen incredible talent take the stage. So let's start there first.
I mean, it's always amazing every year to see the talent that comes out. I think this is like literally the only show that we have right now in Belize that really gives people who want to get into this music industry like a real taste of what it's like, preparing every week, having to come on stage and get the critique in front of people and taking it back and all that stuff. So it's really amazing, and I think everybody who comes out to audition, everybody who steps their foot on the stage, like I'm so proud of them. It takes a lot. It's not easy to be up here. I as nervous as Karina right now. And for me, I give feedback based on my experience, right? And that's something that never goes away from me, nerves. So, if I'm saying that, work on it, that because I know.
Now, Darcy,
yeah.
How did you settle on that particular song and that version to actually include the rap? Most people don't know that you could throw it down like that.
Yeah, I think, I've been on KT, this is like my 3rd season, so the people who do know me from the past, they're like, Darcy, we need to hear some of that and stuff. So I'm like, alright, let me just... So, people who know Henchmob will know that the rap is like kind of a tribute to Henchmob, and it's like different lyrics kind of meshed together of what I used to do. And,
and can still do.
I could still do, it's something I used to sing and rap, so I figured, let me just represent that tonight. And, do me Lee belting and all of that, and because one of the reasons why I chose the rock genre this year is because it's not a genre that we really choose often, but it gives you an opportunity to practice techniques like that, like belting that we don't really get to practice. Like to Belizeans, it seems like screaming, right? But it's really a technique, and I wanted to really challenge the contestants to do that, and so I challenged myself to do that again tonight, which was,
Alright. But ladies and gentlemen, please give Andazi a big round of applause. No.
I big up my whole team because I always tell everybody getting on stage requires like a whole team. It's not just you. And so of course, thanks to Darlene and Leon for taking the time to play with me tonight. I have to big up Paulita from here. Thanks. Amara Munoz from Glam by Mars for always beating up this face. And I have to shout out my niece, Nayeli Panton, for painting my bag this year. And of course, I got a Lee squad behind the scenes who helped me out with fashion, including yourself, my niece, Leah, Hayla, and my friend, Charlene, Aseta, and Amari. And I think that's it. Oh, my sister and my brother-in-law for being my chauffeur every Tuesday. So big up to the whole team, and to all of you for always showing up and showing out for these contestants.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, Andazi Panton. And with that, we're going to go ahead and take a break, and when we come back, we'll see another one of our stellar performances. Don't go anywhere. KTV, the remix, gathers more steam after these messages.
It's a girl Timar from the final show on KTV, the Kitchen Live set tomorrow.
Alright guys, so here's what we're gonna do. We're about to have our halftime segment. So that means I need 2 people 18 plus. So over 18, over 18. No, I'm not having people that have already been on stage, brand new people, brand new opportunities. 18 plus. 2 people. 18 plus. There's somebody that told me that they're going to come on stage this week, guys. 18 plus. Come on, don't miss out. Maybe they'll give away all the money. All these school fees. Come on, man. 18 plus, guys. It's smart. Maybe they'll give away a new phone plan. Maybe they'll give away, you know, hello. Yeah, come on stage, one.
Come back.
Okay, so
Thank you.
and now they fight.
All right, so good night, everyone. As you know, we always have some great and exciting things to do.
And welcome back to KTV, the remix. We're at our halftime giveaway. And we have representatives from Smart. So, can you introduce yourselves and also the game?
Hi, good night, everyone. William will get to you all in a moment. I am Karina Kanto from Smart, Belize.
Good night, everybody. My name is Gabriela. I am the Digital Marketing Officer at Smart, and we're also joined here tonight by...
Hi guys, I'm Chris from Plum. I'm the graphic designer for Smart Belize.
So like that one walk home but my sing and they're so full of energy. Yeah, right, Alright, well thank you guys for our halftime challenge. As you know, the contestants did a jingle. So we're going to do a complete the line from one of our jingles. We're going to have 3 rounds. If one of the young men solve the 2 songs back to back, then we won't have a tiebreaker. So the first song is going to be one of our number 1 caller. Who remember that one day? Number 1 caller. Well, we have to hear we right now and then the show will continue. So go there. Alright, then see there. Alright, so we're gonna play the song now, guys.
Can I just say something?
Why is so rough?
Just give us a break, please.
Alright then, guys.
This is our diamond sponsor, and we have the halftime giveaway. Thank you very much.
Yes, we're gonna come here.
Your shot.
Where is here?
Where is it?
That was the first one up there.
Where is it?
Why you putting up
Security.
We'll resolve it. Don't worry. All right. So, can we go with the first song, please?
man's skin complexion and not pretty here.
You can come.
Yeah, 'cause we weren't aware that they already had we've been thinking of production, we never know you made a pack sound.
Okay, I'll give you my mic, okay, and you all can compete for
So
it.
you heard, all right. So just to review with you, we're going to play a song. The The first song is going to be one of our smart jingles, number 1 Kala, and we're going to stop it at a specific place and you just complete what comes after, if you know the song. So we'll have 3 rounds. So good luck to all you gentlemen. Alright, so we'll play the first song.
Oh, ay. I spoke about disabilities that go here. So when the skin black, you can put back at the back.
We know about that.
I know how you go ahead. Really want to.
So this is it, so listen carefully. When you hear the music stop.
And I give up. You still give this back? Yes. This plan, I can't live this plan. Smart release. This plan, I can't live this plan. Yeah. This plan, I can't live this plan. What's the plan? This plan, I can't live this plan. Smart believe.
Sing now.
Play number 1 Kala then. Alright, we'll go to the second round. We know there's a lot of fun things and sometimes your mind. So we'll just go to the second one.
If him can't sing it, then supposed to just disqualify him.
Really? You not switch it? What? I tell you. I love it. You used to call me on my cell phone.
Me want my smart and want it red.
$20 credit each, okay? Just for coming up. It takes a lot of courage to come up, so thank you to them both and keep enjoying, guys.
Thank you very much. Give our sponsor, our diamond sponsors, Smart, a big round of applause. Welcome back. Of course, we've had Andazi take the stage, and now we're going to have another of our performances. This time is our KTV coach, Giselle O'Brien, and she'll be joined on stage by Karina Clark. They'll be performing Wrecking Ball by Miley Cyrus. Please give them a big round of applause as they come on stage.
Good night, everybody.
Giveaway, baby. Hey, people. Baby, come on. Let Camila come in. Brother. Love you, baby. I'm a crazy cool. That's what I'm
Ladies and gentlemen, joining Giselle on stage is also Darlon on the piano. Please give him a round of applause as well. Take it away, Giselle.
You, baby. No. Good job.
We clawed, we chained our hearts in vain, jumped, never asking why. We kissed, I fell under your spell, and so don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you. I can't live a lie running for my life. I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to wreck your walls. All you ever did was wreck me. Yeah, you wrecked me. I put you high up in the sky, and now you're not coming down. It slowly turned, you let me burn, and now we're ashes on the ground. I can't live a lie running for my life. I will always love you. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was hurt me. I came in like a wrecking ball. Yeah, I just closed my eyes and swung. Got me reeling like a rising fall. All you ever did was wreck me. Yeah, you wrecked me. I never meant to start a war. Rising fall. All you ever did was wreck me. I came in like a wrecking ball. Yeah, I just closed my eyes and swung. Got me reeling from a blazing fall. All you ever did was wreck me. Yeah, you wrecked me. Yeah, you wrecked me.
Please give Darlon a big round of applause. Of course, Giselle, you had issued an invitation to Karina. Unfortunately, she couldn't make it tonight, but on the stage, right? Let's talk a little bit about being a vocal coach. Don't worry, Darlon, I'll talk to you a little bit later, but we wanted to thank you for playing with
Thank you, darling.
the coach and with Andazi as well.
First, I can read, right? Because I'm a vocal coach, not a performer.
Yeah.
Librett's.
Let's talk a little bit about the talent that you had to work with, and how do you engage, given the fact that you have different personalities, etc., and also different vocal abilities. How do you try to encourage them to actually be the best when they hit the stage?
Well, the first thing that you need to know is that whenever we have a show like KTV where they're competing week after week and they're using their voices so much, we don't do vocal training. What we do is vocal coaching. We work only on what they're able to do within that space of time. And of course, every personality is different. Some people are going to have fears about coming on stage. Some people are going to have that shakiness in their voice. I have a shakiness when I perform from nervousness. Some people need to work on like just managing the breath as they perform. So with every single singer, what they need to work on in that given moment is going to be different.
All right. And you work with the different contestants. You know, this is a part of what you do. So you could make just about anybody sing.
If you could hear music, you could sing. That's a given. If you can't hear music, then I serve you.
Come on, it's me and you don't do it right now. Come. All right. But Giselle, how do people get in touch with you? To what all do you teach? Because it's not just vocal coaching, right?
No, we have a music studio. We have three teachers currently working at the music studio. And we teach piano, guitar, ukulele, vocal training, music theory, percussion. Those kind of things, yeah.
All right, and how do they get in touch with you?
You can find me on Facebook, O'Brien's Music Studio, or you can call us at 615-3672.
Ladies and gentlemen, Giselle O'Brien. Please give her a big round of applause.
Thank you, everyone. Have a good night.
We're gonna keep things moving, and this time we're going to invite Good Stuff to the stage. Y'all know who that is?
Yeah.
Who? The city man swag even different right now.
How are we tonight?
Sexual chocolate.
Before we start, this song, this particular song, all you gentlemen in here with your ladies, I want you to look at them. Look at them carefully and let them know this song. Do it, Rich. That's You can dance still, come on. You'll never find, as long as you live, someone who loves you, oh, tender like I do. You'll never find, no matter where you search, someone who cares about you, oh, the way I do. Oh, I'm not bragging on myself, now think that. Well, I'm the one who loves you, and there's no one else, no. You'll never find someone to understand you like I do. You'll never find the rhythm or the rhyme, all of the magic we share, just us two. Oh, I'm not trying to make you stay now, baby. But I know somehow, someday,
Content and excellent stuff.
Lovely science. Thank you so much.
Tremet, let's talk about that performance. How did you decide to do Lou Rawls?
To tell you the truth, I think I wanted to sing something more up-tempo this time around. And not as taxing on my voice as other songs would have been if I had chosen them.
No.
Plus, I like singing one name. I want the lady know too.
So, Trevor, you've been singing for quite some time, and again, you come from a very musical family as well. Let's talk a little bit about the contestants that you've managed to weigh in terms of their performances, and the talent that we've seen this year on KTV, the remix.
That's and world peace. I think that the people that came up here, you don't know how hot this stage is. Not physically, but emotionally. Yeah, up there, almost as bad. Only because nobody knows this here because of this light. Right? But when you're on this stage, you're the center focal point for not just the people here, but people on the TV, and it's a lot of pressure. And for that, I am so proud of everyone who came up here. Talent-wise, I think people misunderstand what it is to perform on a stage. For the most part, it requires some real practice, being real with yourself. Am I good enough to be here? And which we had some quality people, right? Right, some really good people.
Yeah, lovely people.
But singing karaoke in a smoky bar is different than singing up on a stage in front of thousands of people. Right? And it takes some work. Doesn't mean they can't. It just takes some work.
Well, thank you very much for that. Of course, we know that, Tremet, you're working on a show with Frankie Reno.
Yes.
So let's talk a little bit about that. Next week, right here at the Bliss Center, the 4th and 5th.
And 5th. Right? Yeah. It's R&B mixture from old to new. We have some phenomenal singers. Chanel Parks, Denise Castillo. You have my sister Regina Perret. You have Leon Banks, I was here playing guitar. The man who actually really sing. Wilson Greenwich, last year's song competition winner. Ronald Torres, he was here last year as well, right? Chelsea Parham has worked her way up through the ranks, built her repertoire of music.
So we have a good night.
It's going to be a really good show.
And it's curated by Frankie Reno.
Frankie Reno. Come bring you and broke your heart, leave it, hold on to your lady, hold on to your man, because a lot of good songs, right?
All right. And tickets can be had right here at the Bliss Center.
I couldn't tell you the prices because I don't remember. I just step on stage, I know the back end. So, yeah.
All right.
I can say one thing?
One thing.
One thing.
Sure, go ahead.
I have to big up my my oldest daughter, Carissa Cassie. She'll be turning 16. 16 on Thursday the 24th.
So we have our sweet 16 party.
No, we don't have nothing. Well, the guys know. 16 years old. Time has flown.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you all as well.
And for your one thing and meaning it. We're going to go ahead and take a break, and when we come back, we'll have the individual performances by our 3 contestants before we crown tonight's winner. Don't go anywhere. KTV The Remix Season 7, comes to its climax after this.
So we're there at the event of KTV. They are going to I'm there for Maureen, because Mama tell me, they are supporter. So I did come. Well, unfortunately, when I come, she already gone backstairs. So I can't see her until she come out. So, inside, I said I come get on chips. I don't know, it's a girl, T-Mark. Like, share, subscribe. And the outside I eat. Contestant assistant. We don't know the strategy. It's that one side. Betul kemakan nabi yang macam jawab tu unda dong. Film kanal boleh macam. Dia bawa ke inside. I was up on the stage. So this look like is the artist of Belize. Andy. Alicia. Look like the same clothes. Alicia. This man dead? Okay. Them same pass away. Well, it's up there, sir? Oh, it's a yeah, it's a died suddenly at the age of 47. We are grateful for his contribution. As I'm entering back up in the art gallery.
Ladies and gentlemen, an amazing performance, right? You can take the whole start the concert tonight. Now, let's talk about what KTV has meant for you and the journey over the last 2 months here at the Bliss Center.
Well, I'll start with the journey. It has not been easy. A lot of people see us performing here every week. I'm proud of it. Contestants, you guys see us performing here every week, and it's a lot of hours, a lot of time, a lot of training, a lot of resources that go into making a show like this happen, but also for each of us as contestants to get our performances ready for this stage. And I know a lot of us get criticism, and that's going to be a part of it, but I really want to say I'm so thankful for all the contestants that I was able to participate with. This has been such an amazing journey, and yes, it's been stressful. Yes, I've been tired. 2 weeks ago, I was like, do I even want to y'all don't know the things I have backstage, but I mean, the support from you guys listening online, I mean, it has been tremendous. So I cannot say more about that, but it's been so much for me. So I am just grateful to be a part of this show.
should you win the $10,000, do you have any plans?
What do you mean by
And does that include your friends?
Well, there will get something for sure, yes.
Give me a loan.
Nature of that.
Yes, you do it.
I need a holiday, man, but I don't think I'm going to take one.
Don't be pressured to answer,
But
okay?
I've got some plans, definitely. And as the Lord leads, I will see what is best. And, you know, I don't want that money to be the end of it because I feel like there's a lot more that can come from this than just the money itself. So, but if I should win, I definitely do have some plans, yeah.
And even if you don't, I'll tell you one thing. You have built fans across this country. We're extremely grateful that you decided to be a part of this journey with us here at Greater Belize Media. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Darlin Usher and his collective of friends. Please give them a huge round of applause. Are you ready for our next finalist to take the stage? Yeah? We saw him on stage earlier tonight with his grandmother, who's a Belizean legend. And his friends describe him as a great motivator, but he calls himself introverted. When he steps on stage, I guess it's Superman and Clark Kent. Let's see if we'll have Clark Kent or Superman take the stage as Samuel Carcamo comes on stage to do his last performance. Please give him a huge round of applause. He'll be performing Your Man by Josh Turner.
Turn the lights put some music on it soft and slow.
What's that two move?
Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on. Just to be on me.
You go, boy, you fight.
There's no hurry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer, let's go over what I had in mind. Lock the door and turn the lights down. Put some music on it soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on. Just to be on me. Ever love nobody the way that I love you. We're alone now, you don't know how long I wanted to. Lock the door and turn the lights up. Put some music on it soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling that was quite strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on. Just to be your man. can't believe how much it turns me on. Just being on me.
Bossa dance, bossa dance.
Ladies and gentlemen, Samuel Carpenter. Sam, what has the journey been like for you on KTV?
Man, undescribable, you know. A lot of mixed emotions, you know. Criticism, love, hate. I welcome them all, you know, and I appreciate everything, even the hate.
You can't sing.
You know, definitely has been a roller coaster ride. I met a lot of great people on this show, you know, and I'm pretty sure we will all continue to be friends even after tonight. So, yeah.
What are your plans? I'm going to ask you the same question. Your plans if you were to win the $10,000?
Go American Idol.
Drop it in on the family business, you know. We do music, as you guys heard before tonight with my grandmother, my brother, and my dad that passed. So definitely the band.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Samuel. We're gonna invite our third and final finalist, representing the cultural heart of Nangriga. She has been singing her entire